Life insurance can feel confusing, overwhelming, or even a little uncomfortable to talk about. But the truth is, most people avoid it simply because they don't really understand it. In this video, I'm going to answer the most common life insurance questions I hear every single day, clearly and honestly, so you can decide what's right for you and your family. So, first things first, what is life insurance in simple terms? Think of it like this. It's a contract. You pay a small, regular amount called a premium. In return, the insurance company agrees to pay a large, tax-free sum of money to your loved ones if you pass away while the policy is active. Its core purpose isn't to make a profit. It's all about financial protection, and that's a key point. Life insurance isn't really about death. It's about love, responsibility, and giving your family peace of mind. Now, let's dive into the big questions. The number one question I get is, do I really need life insurance? And here's the straightforward answer. You likely need it if someone else depends on your income. If you have debts like a mortgage or student loans. If you want to make sure your funeral expenses are covered without burdening your family. Or if you simply want to leave behind a financial safety net. If no one relies on you financially, your need might be lower. But even then, many people choose to get a small policy just to handle final expenses, so their family doesn't have to worry about it. This leads right into the next question, how much life insurance do I actually need? You might have heard a rule of thumb like 10 to 15 times your annual income. That's a decent starting point, but the real answer is more personal. It depends on your specific situation. We have to look at your income, your debts, the number of dependents you have, and your future goals. Are you planning to pay for a child's college education? Do you want the mortgage paid off completely? A good, trustworthy agent will help you calculate this number based on your life, not just guess with a generic formula. All right, question number 3 is a classic. What's the difference between term and whole life insurance? Let's break it down. Term life insurance is for a set period of time, like 10, 20, or 30 years. It's usually much lower in cost and it's pure protection. This makes it a great choice for things like replacing your income while your kids are growing up. On the other hand, you have whole life or permanent life insurance. This covers you for your entire lifetime. It costs more, but it also builds something called cash value over time, which you can access. Whole life is often used for long-term estate planning or to guarantee that final expenses are covered no matter when you pass away. Neither one is better than the other, they just serve different purposes. It's like comparing a car and a truck. They're both vehicles, but you choose the one that fits the job you need it to do. Okay, let's talk about money. Question 4. Is life insurance expensive? Most people massively overestimate the cost. Here's a real-world example. A healthy 30-year-old can often get a $500,000 term life policy for less than the price of their daily coffee. The biggest cost associated with life insurance isn't buying it. It's waiting too long to buy it. Your age and your health are the two biggest factors that determine your price. That brings us perfectly to our next question. When is the best time to buy life insurance? The simple answer is now. The best time is always when you're young, when you're healthy, and before any major health changes occur. Life insurance rates are based on your age, your health, and your lifestyle. The earlier you lock in your coverage, the more affordable it's going to be, often for the entire length of the policy. Waiting only makes it more expensive. So what happens if you pay for it for years and never use it? That's actually the best case scenario. It means you lived a long, healthy life and, more importantly, your family was financially protected the entire time. The policy did its job perfectly. Think of life insurance like a seatbelt in your car. You don't buy it hoping to get into an accident. You buy it for the peace of mind of knowing it's there to protect your loved ones if the unexpected happens. Next up, a practical question. Does life insurance pay out right away? In most cases, yes. As long as the policy is active and all the information provided was accurate, the benefits are typically paid out within days or a few weeks. One of the best features of a life insurance payout is that it's generally income tax-free, and the money is paid directly to your beneficiaries, the people you named in the policy. It doesn't have to go through a long, complicated legal process. And what can that money be used for? This is another great question. The answer is anything. There are no restrictions. Your loved ones decide how to best use the funds, not the insurance company. Families often use it to cover funeral costs, pay off the mortgage, handle daily living expenses, fund a child's education, eliminate outstanding debts, or even ensure a family business can continue to operate. The power is in their hands. Here's one I hear from financially savvy folks. Is life insurance a good investment? This is a critical distinction to make. Life insurance is not primarily an investment. Its main role is protection. It is a tool designed to manage risk. Now, some permanent policies, like whole life, do have an investment-like component with that cash value we talked about. But that should be seen as a secondary benefit. The number one job of life insurance is to protect your family. Protection always comes first. Everything else is secondary. Finally, and this might be the most important question of all, how do I know if an agent is trustworthy? This is huge. A good agent educates you. They don't pressure you. They take the time to explain your options clearly. They ask you a lot of questions about your needs and your goals before they ever recommend a product. They encourage you to ask questions, and they give you time and space to make your own decision. If anyone ever tries to rush you or makes you feel uncomfortable, that is a major red flag. Find someone who puts your needs first. So let's bring it all together. The key takeaway here is that life insurance isn't about fear. It's about planning with love. The right policy is one that fits your life, fits your budget, and can grow with your needs over time. To wrap this all up, remember this. Life insurance doesn't protect you. It protects the people you love the most. And when it's done right, it is one of the most responsible and caring financial decisions you can ever make for your family. If you think buying one, please see the description to reach out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped clear things up. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward financial advice.